This video we will show you how to do hanging indent on Google Docs or Google Documents. To do hanging indent in here, first we need to show the ruler bar. You can click View and click Show Ruler. Make sure this is checked. And to set the indent, you need just to block your text like this. For example, we click the top of the first line indent and it's become something look like this. You can also set the left indent like this and set again the top. Okay, then you can also add left indent by clicking in the ruler and add left tab stop, and you can add to left tab stop, for example. And when your keyboard you click the tab, it's become something like this. It's lined with the indent you created before. Okay, you can see there. How to delete the left indent in here? You can just for example, in here you can just drag to button or drag button to below. Okay, you can drag button to below like this. Now the indent is not appear again. This is a tutorial how to do hanging indent on Google Docs or Google Documents. Hope this video helpful for you.